today I am going to show you how to install a line 20 snap. Now this snap is just an upgraded version of a regular button snap in my opinion. So here I have the cap. It comes in 2 pairs. Okay, so each pair has 2 pieces. So the cap and the socket goes together. Well, the post right here, which has a post in the middle, and the stud goes together. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you the post, trying to show you everything one after the other. And this right here is the stud. The stud goes with the posts, while the cap goes with the socket. In order for the snap to set properly, we need a stable hard surface. Here I have my dot anvil, which is double-sided. So one side, this concave side, goes with the cap. So the cap has the convex side, and that goes into the concave side of my dot anvil so that I don't dent anything when I'm setting. And the other side that has the bump in the middle goes with the posts. Okay, so for some other sets you may get different dot anvils, but yeah, I have one with double side, and this is my old punch tool, and I have tool line 20 snap setting tool. Now if you've seen other sets, or if you buy another set, you may get just one setting tool that works with both pairs of the snap, but here I have 2 different sets. Okay, so one is less rounded than the other, right? The less rounded side goes with the cap, while the very rounded side goes with the post. All right, so I know that you may not understand that the way I'm trying to explain it right now, but I had to figure this out by myself. So when you get yours, you will definitely figure it out by yourself. Okay, because when you put the snap setters side by side, you would see that one is less rounded than the other. Okay, so the less rounded side, or the less rounded setter, goes with the cap, while the more rounded one goes with the posts. I hope you understand me. So here I have my panels that I wish to install the line 20 snap on, and I have marked the points which I want to install the first pair, which is the cap, and I am just going to punch a hole. Now I like my hole to be smaller so that it fits snugly. All right, so you don't want to punch the hole too wide. All right, so I'm just going to punch my hole, and this is what I've got. I am going to repeat for the other panel so that we have a hole to work with. Now that that's done, I am just going to pass in my cap through the hole like so, right? So it comes out the other side, and the socket goes onto the cap. All right, so that I can see the post of the cap through the middle of the socket. All right, now I have set my cap on my dot anvil, the concave side of my dot anvil, and I am just going to put the snap setter in the middle so that it's set in place. You can feel it when it's set in place with the cap. All right, you can also hold it with your hands in case it starts to shift, and I'm just going to hit it 3 times with medium force. All right, now you want to make sure that your setting tool, the snap setter, is straight. All right, you don't want it slanted, you don't want it bent, you want it straight as you possibly can. So I'm just going to rotate and try to shake it to see if it's going to move, and you can tell that it is set because now the post, the middle side of the post, is mushroomed out around the sockets. All right, so now what I'm doing is simply punching the hole for where the other pair is going to go, which is the stud and the post. Okay, so like as I was saying earlier, you would really feel that it is set when you see that the posts of the cap, or the posts of the actual post, is mushroomed, that it is curved around. And in my opinion, I feel like this is more easier to set than a regular snap. Okay, so as you can see, I have slid in the posts from the wrong side and I have set in the stud just like I did for the cap, and I've turned my anvil, my dot anvil, to the other side, right? So I am just going to put the appropriate setting tool, the appropriate snap setter, in the middle of the post so that it sits in the posts. I'm going to try as much as possible to make sure that it is vertically aligned. So you want it straight, you don't want it slanted. I feel like that is the secret to getting it set properly. Okay, you want to make sure that it is straight. Do not rush. I repeat, do not rush this at all, and you hit it with medium force. 1 2 3 times and you're done. Okay, if you rotate and it shifts, it moves, then you can hit it again twice with medium force, and as you can see, it is already easy, simple, and good to go. And let me know which one of these you prefer, whether it is the regular snap, the regular button snap, or a line 20 snap like this. Let me know in the comment section which you think is easier to set.